In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 different ways that you can write Agus and calligraphy. And this is going to give you some ideas for your bullet journal or your planner. And even if you don't have a bullet journal or a planner, this is also going to help you practice and improve your calligraphy. Also, writing the same word in different ways is going to help you find your calligraphy style at the same time that you practice. Hi friends, my name is Vial and I blog about calligraphy and hand lettering at vialdesigns.com. So let's go ahead and get started. 5 different ways that you can write Agus and calligraphy. The first style that we're going to be lettering Agus is called faux calligraphy, and as you can see here on the worksheet, on the left hand side you have the word already finished, and then in the right hand side you have the word for you to trace. And if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to create faux calligraphy, make sure to check this link right here. I have a full video tutorial where I show you exactly how to create it, and I go over the lowercase alphabet as well as the uppercase. So make sure you go ahead and check those out. And I forgot to mention, but for this one I'm using this Paper Made Enjoy pen, and you can use any pen you have handy. I'm going to be using this Tombow Fudenowski brush pen, and this one is the hard tip. The second way that we're going to letter Agus is doing regular modern calligraphy. This one is very similar to the first one, and the main difference is that the tool that we're using, which the first one we use a regular pen, and then this one we are using a brush pen. The third style that we're going to be using is called bounce lettering, and basically the difference is that, as you can see here, some of the letters are sort of like bouncing off the baseline. I'm going to be using this is Marby Yoshida. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but it is a Le Pen Flex and it's the small tip. The fourth way that we're lettering Agus is flourish calligraphy, and as you can see here, you can see some embellishment to some of the letters, and I'm using this Zebra Funwari brush pen. The last way that we're going to be lettering Agus is doing a block lettering style, and for this I'm going to be using this Pentel Touch Fudenowski brush pen, and I'm going to put the link to all the pens down below. A quick reminder that I wanted to give you guys is that make sure that when you print your worksheet, it is on a quality paper. I recommend the HP 32-pound paper. That way you can use your brush pens. If you print it on a regular paper, you can use something like your Crayola tips, or you can, another option that you have is just use tracing paper. With this, all you have to do is you can still print your worksheet on regular paper, and then you only have to print it once. You put it underneath your tracing paper, and then you start tracing everything. Let's say you don't have any brush pens at home or anything like that, but you do have these Crayola super tips. Don't worry, you can still go ahead and use them. And I went ahead and put my worksheet underneath the tracing paper, and it's going to be the same thing. You're just gonna follow the guidelines and start making beautiful lettering that you can use on your bullet journal or your planner or anything like that. And check out these videos to get a step-by-step tutorial on how to create modern calligraphy using a regular pen and how to use Crayola markers to create brush calligraphy. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.